Good morning everyone. This is Pallavi working as Assistant Professor in G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining you how to create a WordPress website for free. Now, for creation, first of all, we need to enter into wordpress.com site. In this, you can find the option Get Started. If you have already existing web page, you can go to the sign in, or else we'll start with Get Started option. Press on it. So here are some basic questions regarding what would you like to name your site, and what is your site about, and what is the primary goal you have for your site. Now we'll answer these questions before proceeding. So I would like to name my site as Pallavi Kanagala, and my site is regarding pharmacy education, and the primary goal of the site is offering education, training or mentoring, and even it has to showcase my portfolio, and then it has to have share ideas, experiences, updates, etc. As a beginner, I'll start with option 1 and press on continue. Now we need to enter a keyword for the site, that is Pallavi. This is the name suggested by wordpress.com for free version. Even though we have paid versions, we'll go with the free version. Press on select option, and the one which is best for students is to start with free. Click on start with free. Then if you have any username or password, you can use it, or else we can continue with our Google Plus or Google account. So here I'll be using my Google account. So with that, I have almost created my site, and this is the site address, and I'll be going to view my site. And by default, this is how my site looks with the basic home page. And on the left hand side, there were options like home, contact, search, etc. Now, going to my sites. Clicking on the site name will be leading us this home page, and here on the right hand side of this we have the option called customize. Click on customize. So on the left hand side of the screen we have control panel having so many options. With these options we can change the site identity, we can change the color, background, how the site looks, and even fonts can be changed. We can add header image, and there are different menus. Primary menu. Through primary menu we can create different pages. Add page option, with add page option we can create different pages, like you can create about me, blog, or any of the class lectures can be created. And here we have widgets. Through widgets we can create so many options ranging from calendar, categories, blog stats, audio, archives, etc. Now I'll be going back to my site. Customize option, site identity. The first option is site identity. You can edit the site title as well. Whatever the name you want, you can keep, and whatever the tagline you want, you can keep the tagline. You can add the logo by clicking on add logo. And remember, whenever you do any change, you have to click on publish. Publish. And go back. Customize. Colors and backgrounds. With the help of colors and backgrounds, we can really create a new look to the site. So here I'll be choosing this, or you can also pick your own color from this. So as I said, whenever we do change to the site, whenever we edit, we need to publish. So I have clicked on publish. And then so here we have the option called fonts. So in fonts, we have different varieties of fonts, and even base font we can change, and the size of the font we can change, normal, large, whatever it is. So click on publish, and then go back, and you can add header image if you want. This is the header image. You can pick any of the header image. Let us say this, and publish. Now go back, click on menus. Under primary, you can really add different pages. Like here already we have home, contact, etc. If you want to add a new page, add items, name that page. For example, about me. You can add this. After adding, you can reshuffle the location of the about me, where you wanted to locate it. Either it is after home or contact. So if you wanted to locate this after home, you just reshuffle it. And then if you wanted to add one more page, you can also add items, add new page. For example, blog. Add. Click on add. As I said, we can reshuffle. This can be done like this. Now whenever we do change, we need to publish it. So once it is done, we'll go back to widgets. So upon clicking widget, you add a widget. So in this, you can add for example calendar. So we can give title to the calendar. Once it is done, we can after adding calendar, you can give title, or else you can press publish. Next, you wanted to add another widget, then click on add a widget, and contact information and map can be added through add a widget option. So once we have this, I'll be typing my address, that is G Pallavi. G Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. So you can add the phone number here, lunch timing here. Once it is done, you can click on publish. After publishing, go back. So we have done some settings to our website by basic things. Even at the end of each picture in the home page, we have the option called edit. You can edit if you want, or you can add anything to this. So here I'm not going to do all this. This is how a basic web page creation. Once everything is published, click on view site. So this is how my site looks. With the options like home, about me, blog, contact, and here is a search bar along with the calendar. So whenever we wanted to add information, we need to open the respective pages and then linking our video tutorial to that page is very easy. Thank you.